What's up, guys? So today what we're doing is we're building a doghouse. So, yeah,
Is it just like a modern doghouse or an
any doghouse? Yeah, any
like
doghouse.
Doghouse.
Any doghouse you like.
Okay.
So, we are starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so what I'm building is I'm building a doghouse. So I don't like this yellow here. Quartz, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna build here. I'm gonna build far away because we're gonna burn down the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put like an actual dog in it. So my doghouse is gonna be like small. That looks good. Good, looks good. Okay. Okay. Just go like that. What is yours gonna be made out of?
Or
Mine's gonna be made out of simple red wool. I like simple things. I don't like really new things.
then yours sucks.
That's what I don't like them. Do you think we could put a dog inside it? This is gonna be weird. I've never built a doghouse before.
I have.
I have not built one yet, so. Go like that. Okay. So my roof is gonna be like a stairs roof. Like I'm gonna do the one from Charlie Brown. You know that doghouse that the dog has? That kind of house.
Oh, that kind of.
Yeah. His Snoopy's house. I'm doing Snoopy's Minecraft version house. So, yeah. What kind of doghouse are you building? Are you building like a mining doghouse? Like when you can mine? Is yours doghouse little or small?
It's big.
I peeked over. Take a little peek. So yeah. This is really like this. I don't know how to build a doghouse. Do you?
Not a clue. I'm just spamming this.
I'm just spamming buttons and buttons. I don't know what to do. So I just want to get a dog house in here and before, and then I can decorate. I don't know how to decorate. Are you gonna decorate your doghouse? Or are you just gonna do like a normal one?
Yeah, decorate a doghouse.
I don't know how to decorate it. Okay, I'm spamming buttons, and buttons. Well, I'm not really spamming them. I'm just hitting them slowly. I'm done with the dog house. I'm just doing the roof here. Are you done with the base of the doghouse? This doghouse is gonna be short. Go one more. Go like that. Who do you think would win? And glowstone. Okay, I'm gonna make the floor. Like, oh, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm doing inside, but I know what I'm doing outside for it. Gigi, what decorations are you doing?
Simple.
Or like just like a bone on the doghouse? Do you know how to build a bone? Is it like a creeper's legs? Who do you think won the creeper thing?
I did.
No, I did.
No, mine is better.
No, mine is.
You're up.
Okay,
Your
fine.
mouth
You.
looks so weird.
Okay, fine. You win the creeper, but I win the house.
Fine, your house is better.
No? Yeah, it was. I know.
No, mine had a perfect place.
No, mine is. No, cause Kuya, mine was like in the olden days.
In the olden days.
In olden days.
So now that's what we call it.
Olden days. I'm making. You have like blue wool in my hand. I can see our other creations, and it looks like a fun land. But this is not a fun land. It's built by bodies. Wonder if I could do anything. Wonder if what's inside has really been there all the time. Wonder if that's wonder in my heart. Make it day. Boom. Wonder if I could stop from anything. Okay. Do bone. One, two. Are you done? No. Oh, this is so tense. Okay. The olden days. Okay, that looks like an okay bone. Looks good. I mean, like, it doesn't look that bad. Bad. Okay. Doesn't look that bad. Wolf, and we go to the bone. I'm right into the bone, right into the bone. Wonder if what's inside has really been there all the time. Wonder if there's wonder in my heart. So guys, we just ran out of time.